Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club, and it's time to do some more Target find SolaWoodFlower decorating. I found this really cute boxwood wreath at the Target dollar bins, as well as this cute little pumpkin. So I thought, yes, fall decor, it's time. These are my bulk dyed SolaWood flowers that I showed a video on over at BuyMeganElizabeth.com. You can see a video also on YouTube and Facebook, and I'll link it in the description below, of course, so that you can see how I bulk dye all of my SolaWood flowers. But I am taking this really cute pumpkin and I'm tying some twine around it. I'm just going to let it kind of hang off. I also grabbed some shimmer trim that I might use but wasn't really sure at the time. But I'm just literally hot gluing these really cute SolaWood flowers right onto the pumpkin and just creating just a fun little extra design that I thought would be really cute to have sit on the shelf. I did a little Target find wagon, and I thought, it would be really cute to have all three of these kind of like sitting together on one of my high and mighty floating shelves. So I'm just really making it very simple. I'm gluing an extra piece of the twine on instead of tying it because it's just easier that way, and filling in a little bit of the flower just with these fun fall colors, some periwinkle, raisin, sage, some storm blue. Really, it's just fun. And then these stickers came in an Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. It was the fall seasonal surprise box, and they say words like blessed and grateful and thankful, and they're in this beautiful gold foil with like a frosted background. So I thought, well, that could look really cute to kind of just have some of these words stuck around and some of these kind of stems coming out of the pumpkin and the flowers also. So just thought it would be fun to give it a little try and experiment with this. The stickers ended up not being my favorite thing, but it was really fun to kind of experiment with, and I don't mind them, but I didn't end up really loving it. I kind of turned it to the other side once I had it on my shelf. So you just kind of see the thankful instead of the whole thing. And then this wreath was already pre-made, but I was like, it's really sparse. But it was $3. So I'm taking the SolaWood flowers and I'm just gluing them directly onto the wreath to really fill it up. And I did find out very quickly it needs a lot of glue to hold onto here. So I did have to do a couple layers of adhesive to really get it to stick. And I actually did switch out my glue stick to be an extra strong, and then I started kind of putting them onto the leaves as well as the base. So I just kind of went through little by little, bit by bit, and adhered them down, and I just love the way it ended up turning out in the end. And I will happily report that over 2 weeks later, the flowers are all still remaining happily intact. None have fallen off, so that's a really good thing to note. It just took me a little bit to figure out kind of the right placement and how much I need it to get it to actually stay. But look at the color that it gives it. Even though it's not this bright pop of spring, it is giving it this fun little bit of color. And there's that craft-a-lanch. Anybody else have craft-a-lanches happen all the time where you just have so many craft supplies stacked up on your desk, it's suddenly like, yep, we can't hold it anymore, timber. Okay, just me? All right. Anyway, so these are just all different variety assortments of different styles of flowers from SolaWoodFlowers.com. I do have an affiliate link I'll leave in the description. I absolutely love working with SolaWood. I love dyeing them into the custom colors. You can see there's that big basket of bulk colors, and I just sort of pull them out as I need them and as I go, and I just kept adding. I couldn't help it. I really loved how this came together and being able to put this on. So you could hang this at a front door. It's about a 6.5-inch, 7-inch wreath. It was bigger than 6 inches, so that's why I'm saying 6.5. But anyway, it was from Target. It was $3, and just filling it in, I think it looked so pretty. And even though it is like a plastic wreath, the wood and flowers really gives it that more elevated look. So it's a lot of fun to be able to DIY up. The other thing that's so great about the SolaWood flowers is that they are forever lasting, and because they're wood, they're a great natural oil diffuser as well, which you've heard me say here at BuyMeganElizabeth.com many times over, and I love scenting up my flowers with doTERRA essential oils. You just want to make sure that if the essential oil has a natural color to it, for example, wild orange, you would want to put in either the brown or yellow type flowers. If it's like blue tansy or something like a balance blend, you would want to put into a blue or a purple flower, and you'd want to put it on the underside of the flowers. So you'd want to scent them before putting them on. Of course, you can always add scent later and freshen it up, but you just want to kind of do it from the underside, or not the direct very top if it is a colored flower or oil, if that makes sense, hopefully. But I absolutely love the way this little set turns out. It looks so cute sitting on the shelf with the wagon and the full decor. The flowers just pop. They really are just so cheery. You can really see the detail there. They have just such a great kind of vein running through them. That natural wood really gives it that more realistic flower look. So I'm just always so happy with how this kind of thing turns out. So I hope you enjoyed this too. You can visit more at bymeganelizabeth.com. Of course, check out the YouTube channel as well as Facebook. Subscribe, like, share. It always helps. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy the moments.